Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make roasted peanuts laddu. If you remember my last recipe with the sweet potatoes, this was one of the items that was on the dish and I am going to make it today. I have the peanuts ground already. We are going to need jaggery and clarified butter for this. I am going to take 3 tablespoons of the peanuts powder. This is really a very quick recipe, and we are going to add to that about 2 tablespoons of jaggery, but you can cut it down to 1.5 as well if you don't like it too sweet. To that we will add 1/4 of a teaspoon, a little bit more of ghee, just to mix it well. It helps us bind well. So just make sure that the jaggery is soft and gets mixed well. And this laddu is also really tasty and goes awesome when we are fasting. Okay, I have like 6 portions of that mixture. So here you go. I'm making the first laddu. It's a smaller laddu. It's not like a really big laddu like the besan laddu and rava laddu. I have all my 6-7 laddus ready to go, just a bite size and for fun. So now I think you will recollect, this is the plate that I was using for my sweet potatoes recipe. So serve it with this. Just a perfect complete menu for your fast. A laddu on the plate and homemade yogurt, homemade curd. All right, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy, make it at home and let me know how it comes out, and I'll meet you in my next recipe.